And the door closes. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here's our project for the day. Let's turn these lights on. Put a little light on the subject. Today is the day I move the trailer and we do the holy grail of cold starts. This is the 1980 Cadillac Seville. Digital fuel injection, front wheel drive. It's been sitting in this garage since 1998. I've already changed the oil. I did that about a year ago. I changed the oil and I drained the tank and flushed out the fuel lines because the kerosene in the tank was in pretty bad shape. So I got these parts from Rock Auto. It was in stock. Out here in a couple days. Stuff battery in and oh, turn the key. So excited. So excited. See what happens. It's got oil, it's got water. Let's turn the key. Son of a bitch. This thing has sat since 1998. Wow. Wow indeed. Wow. I gotta open the garage door before I asphyxiate. Wow, look at the condensation coming out of the exhaust pipe. I already set off all the smoke detectors in the house. Oh man, I wonder if this thing moves. Better not catch on fire. Pretty bummed out. Alright, finally got the smoke detectors to shut the hell up. Yeah, level ride, I know. Look at this. 8-track tape player, baby! Woohoo! Turn signal works. I should put it in gear, huh? Friggin' headlights work. Almost got a brake pedal, I think. Alright, let's see if I can run it into something. Feels like it's going into gear. Low, drive, overdrive, reverse, or neutral. And reverse. Son of bitch. Oh, there it goes. The horn works. Wow. Wowie. Let's watch this. Let's see if the windows work. Ah. Now that is an old start. Cold start for all you cold start fans. Wait a minute. Where's that window? Ooh, that's not it. Oh, there it goes.